Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you 28 ways to make your Notion aesthetic. Okay, so we have here number one. What you're going to do here is to, of course, go to your Notion and then locate this three dots above. Okay. Uh, Before that, anyways, you can also turn your appearance here to light or dark mode. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you or I'm going to use this light mode here. Okay, so going back, number one way is to simply toggle on this full width right here by tapping this three dots above and turn on this full width and this small text. Number two, what we're going to do is you're going to add a cover photo for your dashboard or a template. So for this time, I am going to create a template about travel so I can add a cover photo here and I can. But of course, I can get a sample image from a specific website and upload it right here. Number three is that you can add a simple icon, not just emojis from Notion. You can add or replace this icon and you can get a static icon from this simple sites right here. So we have here Flaticon and then we have here icon8.com. So for example, for this page like Flaticon, what you're going to do is to go to the search bar and then search or type the keyword, for example, travel. You want to change your travel icon there. So you can see here tons of aesthetic travel icon. All you have to do is to copy the link or download this one in case doesn't work. So for me, I downloaded this uh, image right here, okay, because I tried this link but it didn't work. So what I did do that I just simply, save and download the icon right here and then go to custom and then upload file. But for you, if you think that your link or the link is, okay, or it functions, then you can just copy that link and then go to your icon right here and then click this custom and then paste the URL. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Also, same thing with your list here. For example, I'm going to add my list here under travel. So let me add a heading first. So activities, and I can add some of the list of activities right here for my travel. So I can do it one by one. And then same thing, I can change the icon of each. For example, like local landmarks, I can look for specific icon about landmarks and change it right. So that's number three. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a divider here. So to make it more aesthetic or, organized. So to do that, you just have to simply add like three dash or three underscore, something like that. And you will see automatically a divider. This is what it looks like. That's number four. Number five is that we're going to add a block or multiple block stock. So all you had to do, or all I had to do to simply manage this, that I don't need to use the entire, page. I can use the entire page, but I want these lines right here to be like smaller version, and I can simply move this one because I cannot do it without adding blocks. So let me add a block right here and then move it to the right side. Okay, so as you can see now, I have this, I added the block on the right side and I can only see the lines like a short line here compared to the previous one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I have another column or block on the right side. And what I'm going to do next, number six way is that for each page right here, you can add a customization or you can customize by adding more colors and more details and then images for each page. Okay, and then let's proceed to number seven. Before that, I'm going to add database here and I'm going to add some details and I'm going to move this up and this is what it looks like. Okay, so number seven, what we're going to do here is we're going to explore and you need to appreciate the templates, the features, and the blocks inside this Notion. So to explore and to see all the basic blocks, what you're going to do is to type slash and you can see here text, you can add page, you can add to-do list, heading, 1, 2, 3, table, okay, and you can also add image, video, you can add a code, file, table view, board view, calendar view, gallery view, and so on. So you just have to select that one here. Even you can add Google Drive or your any social media platform here. For this time, we're going to use this Google Maps. So you just have to simply paste that link here and then click this embed map. And you can see the entire map that you have copied and pasted here. So you can just simply zoom in and then zoom out and then drag and look for the specific detail by tapping this plus icon to see or to zoom this map right here. Okay, so that's the first thing. Okay, you can add a map. So how wonderful this Notion is. Number 8 is turn this table view or layout to gallery layout. So just have to tap this three dots here and then choose layout, go to gallery. And then what's the good thing about or the advantage of this gallery is that you can add a cover photo to each of the specific gallery right here. And then you can show this card as your preview. You can change the card size and then you can show the properties that you want to show. But as you can see, I have this gallery view, which is way better than the earlier view. And I'm sure that you agree on this. Okay, number 9 is you can change this gallery view to whatever you want to name it. Actually, if you can also add symbol or change this to symbol if you can, then you can change that. Number 10, in case that you see a backlink right here or something annoying right here, then all you have to do is to go and tap this three dots at the top right corner and then look for custom page or customize this page and then see this backlink. You have to turn this one off. Okay, so that's it. Number 11 here is the advantage of using call outs. So all you have to do is like this. I want to change in this into call out. So tap this 9 dots and then turn this into call out. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now I can change the icon, add the link, or I can also tap this bold right here. Okay, so I think this one is way better because you have tons of options. And then next is, for example, I have here a database of my learn something new. So as you can see, all of this here has this idea icon. If I add a new list, then there's no idea icon here or whatever is already inside each page. I cannot add it right here. So what I'm going to do, I have to click this new and then tap this new template here. For example, I'm going to add the idea as my cover. Whenever I add a new list, and then I just have to tap this template and whatever is inside here, it will sync to my new list. As easy as that. Number 13 is adding GIFs to your template or to a dashboard. So you just have to go to Giphy. Okay, this site right here, you can select or search for tons of gifts. And all you have to do is to enter the keyword and it will give you tons of gifts here. For example, this one. Once you have selected, all you have to do is to click and then click this embed right here. Copy the code, go back to your Notion. Okay, and then look for embed, type slash embed, and then paste the link. Then click embed link. Then you will see the result right here. Okay, so that is number 13. You can add GIFs to your Notion dashboard to make it more aesthetic. Number 14, you can use call outs as a button. So we're going to type slash and then look for call outs. And then this time we're going to add something like museum. Okay, and then we're going to select this. And the good thing about this call out is you have tons of options, for example, link. So what you're going to do is I'm going to paste a link here. So whenever I click this one, it will take me directly to that specific website. Okay, so you just have to select this and then look for link. Okay, let me select it again. And then link, paste it right here and enter. So whenever I click this, again, it will take me directly to the website. Number 15 is adding breadcrumbs, but actually this one is optional. So breadcrumb is like a secondary navigation pattern. This is what we call breadcrumb. It aids in level hierarchy comprehension and helps users to go back through levels. So especially in Notion, you can scroll through the pages and then Notion, then scroll through the pages. So actually this one is not that really popular, but you can add this to your Notion dashboard. Number 16, you can add a video or let's just say a YouTube channel in case you wanted to watch something like you don't want to read a lot, you don't want to know more directions, you just want to watch a video. So all you have to do is just simply type slash and then copy the URL from that video or from the YouTube video and then paste it right here. Then you can see the entire, you can watch the entire video without adding a lot of details inside the speech. Number 17 is that you can now create this call out as a post. Okay, so what you're going to do is to type slash and then look for call out. You can change this into or the icon into pin so that it's like it should be something that a person or you need to read. Okay, so I pin this one. And then what I'm going to do here is to simply paste or type, a long message right here. And as you can see, even if you type long message inside, it is still inside this call out. Okay, so it's still inside this color right here. So this is what it looks like. I added a simple reminder. Number 19 is I'm going to add an extension here in Notion. And this is what we call Notion themes. But unfortunately, when I search it in Google Web Store, I can't find one. So maybe you can use this Notion Enhancer as a substitute. But if you see that Notion theme, that one is better. Okay, so all you have to do is to search for that theme that you want. Then you just have to reload this. Then the theme that you have chosen, okay, it will just simply apply it right here. Okay. Okay, and then another extension is this what we call tailored Notion. So within this or this Notion extension is that it will remove unnecessary things that you want to remove. Actually, you can see options here. Okay, so all you have to do is to toggle that one on if you don't want that to see or if you want that to cut or to remove inside your Notion dashboard. So this is tailored Notion. If you don't want to see this hide help, if you don't want or if you want to remove this tab and slide bar, you just have to toggle this one on, save, and you will see this changes right away. Okay, so 20 to 26 is that we're going to add widgets here on your Notion dashboard. So I highly recommend Intify.com. There you can see tons of widgets that you can use for your dashboard. Okay, so let me type Intify.com. And this one is for free. So all you have to do is to select that widget. So we have here explore widgets for button, for clock, for countdown, for counter, for quotes, image gallery, but actually Google Calendar and weather is not available for the meantime. So all you have to do is to create, and here, for example, this progress bar right here, you can change the color. Okay. Okay, you can change the background color, also the text color. And then once you're satisfied with the result, then all you have to do is to copy this. And it's the same thing. Go back to your Notion and then paste this URL. All you have to do is to look for embed or type slash embed and then paste it. Okay, so this is the result. So I'm going to copy this and then go back to my Notion. Okay, and then type slash and then look for embed and then paste. Okay, so here, okay, I'm going to paste this one. But unfortunately, okay, I think it's already because I am using the basic version, so I need to upgrade. Anyways, I have deleted some templates inside my Notion. So this is what it looks like. I have added this progress bar right here. You can go back to Indify again for our 21 to 26 ways on how to make your template more aesthetic. So you can add block widget here. So copy, okay, and then you can change, you can edit the text background or the color, then go to embed again, then paste this and that link. Then you will see the block right here. Okay, so another, you can look for another widget here. For example, like codes or image gallery, or let's just say this counter right here. So you just have to tap that. For example, countdown. Okay, so add a title, countdown, and then go back to your Indify. And then here you just have to simply, okay, again, change the text color. Once you're done, then copy the link again and then go back to your Notion and then paste. You can do this repeatedly in this widget. Okay, so you can just simply click, edit, copy, go back to your Notion and paste the URL. Okay, so you can add a lot of widgets if you want. Aside from this Indify, you can also go to widget.com. I think that is widget.com, and then you can simply look for that specific widget there. And then again, you can edit and then copy the link and then paste. Okay, so this one, okay, widget box, rather widget box. Okay, add something like a calendar, change the background color, the text color, copy the URL and paste it right here. Same thing with Identify.com. Okay, so for our 26 way is that this site is you can also get themes. You can also get widget. Okay, everything is here. Find and learn Notion friendly. So all you have to do is to click, and same thing, you just have to copy. You can edit this one, copy and then paste the URL to your Notion. And lastly, for example, if you want to add Spotify or something like music or application, all you have to do is again copy that one, go to your Notion, and then go embed, type embed, and then paste. And this is what it looks like. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.